Alright, this is a do-it-yourself on door lock actuator motors. To start, you need a T30. Get that, babe. Extension with a 10mm. Phillips number 2. And a little flathead. Alright, on the car, there's gonna be one screw there, one screw there, and 4 screws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually 5. And there's gonna be a hidden one right behind the door handle. Pop the handle out with anything flat. And these are all gonna be Phillips number 2. On the pen and paper, I'm just keeping a track of where the screws came from because you don't want to mix up the screws whenever you put them back together. Alright, one shot. Lift up on it and it should pop out. Alright, hey babe, come get this. Here's a shot of what it should be like, and there's the cables for the door lock actuator. Just remove it like a bicycle stop brake handle and just unplug all the clips. And just set your door panel on the side. Alright, from here, hold down your vapor barrier, take out the cables. That's all you really need it to go, about that far. And now you're going to use the 10mm to take out your speakers. Undo the clips from it. There's going to be one white one and one orange one. Get the 5 bolts that it's on there, take out the speaker and just set it on the side. Come back to your plan. Right, speaker or whatever. That keeps you remember that the screws for the speaker. From here, you use your 10mm again to take out your window. Can you get it?
Yeah.
There's gonna be a red one, and there's gonna be a green one right over here. Right there. That's the reason to roll down your windows a third way down so you can see these bolts. Where's that pin at? Oh. Come back to your plan. Right window. Drop those 2 bolts in there. On this, taking out the window should be really easy. Hold on. Hold on, right here. Your tracks are very flexible. Push it in, lift it above the lock that is in. This one. Lift it above and let it sit on top. And get the other side. Let it sit on top like that. You go outside to this side, pull up on it, and pull out after you get to the top. This should come out just like that. Put this on the side. I'm gonna throw it in my back seat. From here, you're gonna take out your door handles. There's gonna be 3 bolts. One right there if you cannot see. Yeah, can't see that. There should be one behind the first hole, one behind the second hole, and the third hole. They're pretty big, decent size hole with a 10 millimeter. Huh? Yeah. Alright, from here, you're gonna get on this. You're gonna lift up your door handle, slide it to the left, and it should pop out. This is where the little pick comes in handy. You're gonna pop the yellow clip out, or whatever color your car comes in. Pop the little cable for the door from the actuator out. Turn it around. There's gonna be a little red one here where you just pick it and it would come out just like that. Try not breaking your clips. It's very important. Set the door handle on the side. And now this is the tricky part. Here's the shortcut where you don't have to take out your window regulator. Get your door panel back. Turn your car to on. Find the cable that connects to the window. To turn your window up, it's going to be, mine is 3 blue one, a white one, and a yellow one. Connect it to the window control. Here, get this and roll it up, and you can see the regulator roll up. Unplug that. The reason I did that, so it could get the window regulator out of the way, so I could take the door actuator out. From here, unclip that little clip right here that was on. And this is where your T30 comes in handy. Get your T30, a little star shape.
Hasn't focused. There you go.
Yeah, a little star shape. Do not use Allen wrenches, it will strip out your bolt. This is the only T30 I can find in hand, so there's going to be 3 T30s on the side right here where the latch comes on. There's a little notch coming out of it. Pop that out. Come back to your plan. T30s for actuator. Alright, from here there's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt right on top of, or right to your right. It's going to be a little gray 10 millimeter. The 30 right underneath it. And for that, it's going to be a little track for the guide for the window. Just have that laying on the side so you take out the door lock actuator easier.